Today, I'll show you how to open the desktop version of Gmail on any phone. Sometimes the Gmail app or the mobile browser version does not show the full layout people are used to on a computer. In that case, the easiest solution is to open Gmail in a web browser on your phone and request the desktop version of the site. Google's Chrome help confirms that on Android you can turn on desktop site from the browser menu, and Gmail is available on the web at mail.google.com. If you're using an Android phone, start by opening Chrome or another mobile browser. Then go to Gmail on the web and sign in to your account. After the page loads, tap the three-dot menu in the top corner of the browser. In Chrome, look for the option called Desktop Site and turn it on. Once you do that, the browser will try to reload Gmail using the desktop-style layout instead of the mobile version. Google's Chrome help says you can also keep desktop mode on by default, or add a site exception for specific websites. If you're using an iPhone, the idea is very similar. Open Gmail in Safari or another browser, then use the browser menu to request the desktop website. After that, the page should reload and try to display the larger desktop-style version instead of the simplified mobile layout. General browser guidance for mobile browsers follows this same pattern, where you request the desktop website from the browser controls rather than from Gmail itself. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that Gmail does not always behave perfectly in desktop mode on a phone. In some cases, the page may still look partly mobile, or some buttons may feel small and harder to tap on a smaller screen. So if the first attempt does not look right, try refreshing the page, rotating your phone to landscape mode, or using a different browser. That is a practical workaround based on how mobile browsers handle desktop site requests. Also remember that opening Gmail in desktop mode is different from using the Gmail app. The app is designed for mobile, while the browser version gives you access to a more computer-like layout. So if you need extra features or simply prefer the full-screen desktop look, the browser method is the one to use. And that's how to open the desktop version of Gmail on any phone. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.